Manipur hastewo Khoroknwi Kuki Bwrwino Richum Krikhe kami Berai Rwmani yagulo panthor kesaro talangai Rwmani Patimungo tiyei Phiyokha Bukhuk Phiyokha hakotorni Mantri Okra Narendra Modi Patimungo tiyei Khorangni slai Khorang sakthar mungna hanani dagi mungrekha hakotorni Mantri Okra Narendra Modi
Manipur hastewo Khoroknwi Kuki Bwrwino Richum Krikhe kami Berai Rwmani video social media o viral ongmani yagulo hakotor gonangoi chakha ufla kafla Patimungo tiyei belai khamjangmani logi logi samung sitra tangnai rongno Khorang busthumjaknani sanmungti shakha dal bidal hasteni NGO dal bidal motha tei thungkurung bodolni adongrok sagori chum Krikhe kamini lahal lampra Berai Rwmani yagulo panthor kusaro tlangoi romfreka bono kubun bosongni siklarok koksil samungni yakshi meitei bosongni lukurongni phaising o Patimungo lai thangnai 4th May salmarini koktoma Patimungo tiyei Khorang saklai mungrekha hakotorni kuchuk dorbar nok Supreme Court Patimungo tiyei Manipur hapang te hakotor hapangno report sankha Supreme Court abo haikheno Patimungni salsni charni yagulo Phiyokha Bukhuk Phiyokha hakotorni Mantri Okra Narendra Modi Patimungo tiyei Khorangni slai Khorang sakthar mungna hanani dagi mungrekha hakotorni Mantri Okra Narendra Modi
मणिपुर की जो घटना सामने आई है किसी भी सभ्य समाज के लिए ये शर्मसार करने वाली घटना है। पाप करने वाले, गुनाह करने वाले कितने हैं, कौन है, वो अपनी जगह पे है, लेकिन बेइज्जती पूरे देश की हो रही है। 140 करोड़ देशवासियों को शर्मसार होना पड़ रहा है। मैं सभी मुख्यमंत्रियों से आग्रह करता हूं कि वे अपने राज्य में कानून व्यवस्था को और मजबूत करें, खास करके हमारी माताओं बहनों की रक्षा के लिए कठोर से कठोर कदम उठाएं। घटना चाहे राजस्थान की हो, घटना चाहे छत्तीसगढ़ की हो, घटना चाहे मणिपुर की हो, इस देश में हिंदुस्तान के किसी भी कोने में किसी भी की राज्य सरकार में राजनीतिक वाद विवाद से ऊपर उठ करके कानून व्यवस्था का महात्मा, नारी का सम्मान, और मैं देशवासियों को विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं किसी भी गुनहगार को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। कानून अपनी पूरी शक्ति से, पूरी सख्ती से एक के बाद एक कदम उठाएगा। मणिपुर की इन बेटियों के साथ जो हुआ है इसको कभी माफ नहीं किया जा सकता है।
abo haikeno Manipurni o Patimungo tiyei belai khamjangmani kok shakha hasteni bubagra Pradut Kishore Deborma Patimungo kurungjak jo tonono Khorang busthumjaknani sanmungti shakha hasteni bubagra Pradut Kishore Deborma
I've seen this video about Manipur and frankly speaking I feel sick in my stomach. I feel disgusted. All my life whenever our women were attacked in mainland India or abused, we've stood up and we've always told the rest of India that it is not like this in Northeast. But today I feel for the first time in my life ashamed that this has happened in our backyard. The Chief Minister today has said that he's shocked after seeing the video. Come on, he's the Home Minister. It's a small state, Manipur. This video obviously has been circulating around Manipur, but we did not know about it because internet was banned. But I'm sure the officials knew about it, he knew about it. And he has to be held accountable. You know, all this time we've been hearing that the police has been taking sides, and this video shows that that allegation is not untrue. The Prime Minister has spoken today, the Chief Justice of India has spoken today, but we need to speak up also. I think time has come for heads to roll. And the demand for a separate administration obviously comes when you see the administration in Manipur itself trying to take side over one community over other. I am sorry that we did not speak out earlier. We should have spoken out a lot earlier, but the internet was banned. We had no idea. We were told something else. But we, as Tripura Motha, the Tiprasa indigenous tribals, are with you, my sisters. We are with all of you all, and we'll stand with you. And the government of India, if they do not do something about this now, Manipur will be the experiment of hate in Manipur. The role of the politicians in this experiment of hate in Manipur, if they do not go today, I don't know how long Manipur will remain intact. That's all I have to say.
Patimungni yagulo sangrong shalo Patimungni main accused meite bosongni khoroksa siklano romkha Manipur police binimung Hirodas meite Omor Bishi Thamchinoi Fia ba laithangne 4th me salmarini ashuk kotor o Patimungna tiyei tamani bagoi ashuk sal kolokma jora romoi police ni bukhaktui nahar jaglia mungsa saktharmu abono tiyei achaijak dal bidal sungmu Bureau report Chini Khorang.